Alright guys, today we're gonna make a mixed nut cookie. So this cookie is perfect for the coffee or tea next to it. So first we have 120 gram of sugar. This is a sugar powder. We're gonna have 100 gram of butter. And I have 50 gram of olive oil. You can use any oil, but I prefer olive to make it a little bit healthier. And we're gonna add 1 egg. Mix very well. Add 75 gram of cornstarch. Add half a tablespoon vanilla. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Half a teaspoon cardamom. Mix again. Add 300 gram of all-purpose flour. Once it's come to this point, use the hand and knead it until it became all together and very soft. You see, it's gonna be like this. It's very soft. Now we have a almond, pistachio, and walnut, 1 cup. We crush it, all of them, and then we're gonna mix it together. Alright guys, once you came to that consistency, see, it has to be like a stick together. If not, you can add a little bit butter and keep kneading it until it became like this. Now you can grab it with a spoon like that. One spoon and put it on the pan. If you have it like a ice cream scoop, it's better. All right, the oven is on 350 Fahrenheit or 170 Celsius. So we're gonna put it between 12 to 15 minutes. All right, guys, it's about 15 minutes. Take a look. It's completely ready. I'm gonna grab one. You have to let it cool down. See, it's perfect.